2021. Today I got a call from a new customer. I guess he's got a house with 2 zones, hydronic heating, and
turn right on State Road.
the first floor zone isn't heating, from what he said. The second floor seems to be working, but the first floor is not. The zone's not working. So he wants me to go over there and see if I can help him. Got the heater on, Molly. Got the heater on. Gotta get that electric blanket hooked up for you. Someone sent me an electric blanket and I gotta hook it up and get it going for her. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. No heat. A new customer. I don't think I've ever worked for the guy before. Seems to know me. Maybe he watches the videos or something. I'm not sure. So fans on automatic, and it's set for 70. This is calling. I could hear it running upstairs. The fan's running anyway. All right.
And it's comes cold here, you know?
Yeah, let's see what's going on with it up there. I don't know what that filter's gonna look like. He said he doesn't even know the system up here. Yeehaw. Hello! 20 by 25 by 1 is the filter. You got one? This thing's really bad. That's really bad. Huh?
16 by 20 by 1.
No, you're gonna have to get one of these. You wanna write it down? Get a pencil and paper. Then you can climb up here. I'll show you how to put it in. I'll get the heat going in the meantime. Probably check the flame sensor. Probably dirty.
We had 2 sizes because downstairs it fitted. Is the bigger one here?
Yeah, it's 20 by 25 by 1.
Okay.
And when you can see it, there's a spot to slide it in and on the back here.
Okay.
You got to shut the unit off and then slide the filter in. You got to change them every 6 months or so.
I didn't do for years.
How long's it been since you didn't even know you had a system up here?
No, I never changed. I bought a house.
How long you been living?
5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
What about your rate? Whoa, don't step on the ceiling, guy. You're stepping right on the ceiling.
Almost broke, yeah.
Gonna pull a Chubby Chase right through the ceiling. No good.
So,
All right, over here. See this slot here?
yeah.
That's where it slides in. Look how bad it is.
Yeah,
That's bad.
it is.
Your coil, your AC coil's probably really bad too. Let's see what's going on with it.
Because downstairs it works, so I changed the filter, it worked well. So I thought maybe that's the same system.
No, it's not. You got a separate system. Yeah, watch out. You got to step on the beams.
Yeah,
You can't step on the ceiling.
I saw that, yeah.
That'd be special if you went right through the ceiling. No? Let's see if we can find out what's going on with it. At least I got room to work here.
What's that?
At least I got room to work on this one.
Yeah, it's just pretty narrow.
Did you feel the ceiling buckle when you stepped on it?
Not
No? You're light though.
probably.
Maybe. The glass is getting all foggy. I just brought up what I need here. Make sure I clean in the flame sensor and we'll see what happens. I think the rollout switch might have been tripped. It seemed like when I pushed them in, it seemed like it caught. Maybe. Unless the igniter's bad. Could be the igniter is bad.
You need some room from? You want me to move it?
Yeah. Let's
So this is the switch off for here?
oh, that's the switch. Yeah, I just turned it back on. You might have to go down and the hot
camera.
Huh?
Where's it out? The camera.
Yeah, so it's glowing. I did clean the flame sensor, and one of these roll-off switches, see if it fires. One of these roll-off switches seems like it was tripped. Unless the fan's not blowing. Sometimes it's that flame sensor's got to be cleaned. You've been here 5 years?
Yeah.
Never done nothing?
No.
There goes the fan. Smoking a little bit there. Thought it could be is your that filter's really bad. You got to get new filters. Can you go get them today?
I can.
You have to go get it today. Either you want to pay me to go. I think it'd probably be cheaper for you to do it. Unless you want me to go get them.
You can go and get it.
You want me to go get them?
Yeah.
All right.
Because, I mean, either way, you have some other work while you do it here. If I go, it'll be easier for you, right?
If you want it, I go run and get some and come back and put them in, or you want to do it? You gotta if you don't you're gonna do it. You gotta do it. You can't be playing around. I mean, you can't run it without them.
Right. I know.
You want me to go get them?
Sure.
All right. I'll leave it running, and I'll go get some filters, and I'll come back.
Okay.
I ran out and got a couple of filters for this guy. Because if not, he's probably not going to do it. So he wanted me to go get them, so I ran out to get a couple of. He only wants a couple of them because he's selling the house, is what he's saying. So that's fine. I think that one of the rollout switches was tripped when I went there and I pushed them rollout switches, and I didn't show that, but it seemed like one of them clicked in. While I was there, I cleaned the flame sensor and going back with the filters now. It's been running a little bit. 15 minutes. We'll see what's happening when I get back. If it's still running. Check the vents for CO and see what's happening there. Guy came up in the attic with me and he was standing on the ceiling. It's like, guy, don't stand on the sheetrock. I'm surprised he didn't blow right through the ceiling, pull a chubby chase right through the ceiling. But I guess he's lightweight, so he didn't fall. I'm like, guy, don't stand on the ceiling. It's like, holy shit. Standing right on the insulation, right on the sheetrock, like, you know. It's like, holy cow, guy. Unbelievable. Gonna pull a chubby chase on Christmas vacation right through the ceiling. Alright, so it came to temperature and shut off. That's good. Alright, my metal reinforcement should go towards the fan. I got an extra one there. This thing was really bad. So look at that. He never changed it. He'd been here over 5 years. And you know the coil's gonna be all blocked. AC coil. It's running. She just fired back up again. It's a pile of York. Alright, clean flame sensor. Change filter. Reset rollout switches. Someone's been up here with a blown fuse before. That's it. Let me get out of here. I'm gonna take. I left the tag up here, what I did and the date. And I'll bring this old filter out of here. Yeah, just checking to see if there's any CO coming out of the registers, you know. You don't want that, right?
Not at all.
It's a gas appliance, so it's definitely heating. Alright, we should be good. Alright guys, first floor unit here. I'm going to clean the flame sensor while I'm here. The first floor unit. It's a tight one. She's a tight one, though. Don't look too bad while I'm here. While I'm here, I don't want no issues. It's a tight one. Make them user friendly. I don't know why, but I figured I would make them user friendly, but nope. Alright, turn this one back on, see what happens. Should be fine. I just cleaned the flame sensor here.